In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a lag on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to power off your Nintendo Switch 2. So how do you do that? And that is by pressing 3 seconds the power button right here. So 1, 2, 3. Then it says we're going to click on power options, and on power options we're going to click on power off. Then what you want to do is you want to restart your Wi-Fi at home. So your Wi-Fi module, you want to unplug it for like 30-60 seconds, then restart it, then you can restart your Nintendo Switch 2, and then you can see if it worked. Yes, the next thing you can do is you can go to system settings, and on system settings you can go to internet, you can click on internet settings, and on internet settings, guys, you're gonna click on clear settings. Settings will be deleted. Yeah, so what this does, guys, this delete your Wi-Fi, and what you can do, you can reconnect again. Then we're gonna click on OK. So you reconnected to your Wi-Fi. What you can do is you can click on test connection, and then you can see if you maybe have 30 Mbps download speed. What you can also do, you can click on internet settings. Then on internet settings, we're going to click on change settings. Then we're going to scroll down where it says MTU. So by default, it will be set on 1400, and we're going to change it to 1500, guys. This will maybe fix your lag. And what you can also do is do DNS settings. We're going to switch it from automatic, we're going to switch it to manual, and then the primary DNS will be 001.001.001.001, and we're going to click on OK. And the secondary DNS will be 001.000.000.001, and we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to click on save, guys. And this is how you fix lag on the Nintendo Switch 2.